Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you a beginner's guide for DramaBox. In order to begin, first off we want to make sure that DramaBox is installed, and in this case we've gone to the App Store, and you can see here the DramaBox is the first option that shows up. We're going to go ahead and select open as I've already installed it, and when we do, then you will be met with a screen like this. So what we have here is we have a variety of things that we can watch if we wish, and what we can do is if you go to the profile page, then you'll see here that there is an option to earn rewards. This might be a good idea if you want to watch some of the member-only content. Then it appears that you probably are going to need some credits in order to do that. So let's go ahead and just give it a try here, and let's see how that works out. So we're going to earn rewards by checking in. So we're going to go ahead and hit check in, and it says here watch ads to earn 2 coins. Okay, we're going to go ahead and skip that, and here it says log in with any account. So let's go ahead and log in. We will sign in with Google. And there we go. We have logged in, and we can now claim those coins. You can see here that there are a variety of other rewards you can earn as well. Following on Facebook, on YouTube, turn on push notifications, watch for 5 minutes, watch 10 minutes, 15 minutes, etc., etc. And that will allow you to earn more coins. We'll go ahead and go back to the home page here, and you can see now that we have 8 coins in our wallet. And let's go ahead and just try the first one here and see what happens there. Okay, interesting. So it says that there's copyright attributes there, so we're unable to see that. I'm not sure exactly what that means, but that's just to give you an idea of what you might expect. Seems up here at the top that we do see a section that says free. So let's go ahead and take a look at the free option here. So we'll go ahead and try this first one. I see. It's because we're screen recording right now. So because we're screen recording, it's not allowing us to view the images here. But this will give you an idea of what you can expect with DramaBox. You have a variety of these mini episodes that you can watch, and if you use the credit system, then you'll be able to watch a variety of them. But as we found out here, if you are screen recording, then it's not going to allow you to view that. That gives you an idea of how DramaBox works, and that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more helpful tips.